Monochrome Morgan here today. Just kidding, boys. So in this video, we'll be talking about 5 investments. It's gonna be a monthly series, so every single month we'll be posting a video about what to invest in this month. So it's gonna be broken down with 3 basic your everyday kind of stocks and currency things, and then a cryptocurrency and self-investment. So let's get right into it. So at number 5, we have international currencies like the yen, euro, USD, Canadian dollar, Kuwait dinar. So on screen, you'll see a graph of the Kuwait dinar, which is currently worth $3.33 to every American dollar. You can see that there was a dip in that graph. If you bought at that point, depending on how much, you could have whatever, tripled, doubled, I don't know how much it was. It'll be on screen, but you could have made that much money off of one investment. So at number 4, we have self-investment, a coding class, for example. I would recommend coding Xamarin. It's good for apps. You code once and it makes an app in both Android and iOS. So it's a good use of your time, so you don't have to make one and then another. I'll put a link in the description below for the class that I took. It was $60 and it has helped me tremendously, especially working in a programming world. So we'll check that out next. So number 3, Tesla. People will say that it's already at the top, it's already peaked, but that is not the case. Because if you notice, when Elon hit the booth on this date, the stock went down. So that's when you buy in. So every time that Elon makes a quote dumb thing or dumb mistake, that's when you buy in. You never want to miss out on his mistakes and profit off it. Okay, so Bitcoin for number 2. You're gonna say Bitcoin is dead, rest in peace Bitcoin. But no, it's gonna stay around. In fact, I believe in November it is going on the New York Stock Exchange. I might be wrong, but that's what I've heard. So if you buy before then, that would be a fantastic idea. Gotta join in before it gets like real big, because it will. If you're a normal person like me or you'll be like, oh, it's on a stock exchange. It's actually gonna stay around. So then people are gonna invest and you're gonna miss out. So you better do that soon. Cryptocurrencies as a whole, they're gonna stay around. You better buy in. I mean, it's still a fantastic investment. If you look at Bitcoin's like rise and fall in prices, it started at like 0.005 and then just kept going, and then it hit the into last September, hit the bubble, and then just kept going. So if you look at it, it's basically just still going up. I think it's over 50% up total in the year, which is still really good for an investment. And you got to learn that investments are long term, so you buy for a few years. So finally, number 1, Arthur Gallagher. If you look at a daily trend line of Arthur Gallagher, you'll notice how volatile it is. That means you can day trade it really well. So if you sell on the high, buy on the low, you'll be making bank. And if you notice, it's a long-term investment as well. It has a nice constant flow upwards. They're a good company. They have a nice rugby team, I believe. So that is why it's number 1 today. Thank you for watching. Nah, that's not gonna be it. Yeah, forgot to plug the social media. So this one's gonna be dirty. Watch this. First, we got the Snapchat and Instagram. So Instagram coming right at you, followed by the Snapchat. Go follow me. Thanks for watching.